The coronavirus, or COVID-19, and its variants have changed our world. Visually Speaking, and First in Visually Speaking, would like to recognize and extend our gratitude to those on the front line during these unprecedented times. We would like to honor our heroes, the nurses, the doctors, the healthcare providers, frontline workers, and emergency responders around the world who are fighting reducing the spread of COVID-19 and its variants while putting their own health at risk. We would like to honor the unspoken heroes, the parents, the family members, the friends, the caregivers, and the support workers around the world who are caring for and supporting the recovery of those affected. This pandemic has made us come together to rally our strengths. And in light of these difficult times, Visually Speaking has launched a downloadable COVID-19 visual aids series. We understand that interacting with a patient experiencing difficulty with communication can be challenging. Adding the necessary PPE increases this challenge. That's why COVID-19 visual aids were developed. The series includes communication boards, alphabet boards, and pain scales, complete with easy-to-follow step-by-step instructions. To further assist you in providing the best available care, the free downloadable pro tips, how to use visual aids, strategies using visual aids to communicate and clarify, and preparing and protecting your visual aids for reusability and ease of cleaning were also created. These valuable resources are not limited to COVID-19 and its variants. They can be used with any patient who has any disorder that interferes with their ability to clearly communicate. Everyone benefits from using visual aids and strategies. Download yours today.